Kami is a PDF annotation or write over tool so that it allows you within Canvas to write on any PDF document. So I want to go through how this looks on the student end and how to submit these documents. So first off, you might see that your teachers put content up above. So like this is a quick video. Just so you know, this video has nothing to do with graphing inequalities, but it was a video that I could quickly find on YouTube and put in here for the purpose of this video. When I have this, I can follow the directions here. Maybe I'm viewing the video and then completing this assignment here. So for this assignment, I'm going to have to graph on this paper. So familiarize yourself with these tools. If you hover over them, it tells you exactly what they are. And they're pretty straightforward. So like the dictionary, I highlight a word and it tells me what it is. So these things will be helpful if you're trying to figure out kind of directions within something, or you can't quite remember what a term means. You can go through and use that. You also have text to speech. Same thing, you highlight the words you want read and it will read to you. A markup tool where you can use a highlighter. The comment feature, so your teacher may ask you to use comments. You can do text comments, and this is pretty simple. You just click on, let's say I need to put a comment on each problem. Do that, and then I can start typing in. I can also choose, let's say I want to get rid of this comment because I really just don't need the comment. If I don't type anything in there and click away, then it'll go away. If I start typing in, then what I'll have to do is just go through here. I can get rid of the comment here. I can just X that out and it goes away if I mess up. I can also do voice comments, video comments, and also screen capture comments. And they all work the same way. You click on the screen and then it just follows the directions. So if I do that, I share, and now it's screen recording exactly what I'm doing on this screen. And so your teacher can then view that. If you mess up, it's the same thing. You can go over here and just X that out. The next one is probably what a lot of people will use at the beginning. It's a text box. So if I need to answer this with text, all I do is select that, click where I want to type, and there you go. I can start typing whatever I want to. If I messed up or need to go in there and change it, if I just hover over it, you'll see the text box. I can delete anything out, type, and then if I want to completely get rid of it, I just click the X and it goes away. The drawing tool allows you to just draw lines. It's exactly what it sounds like. So I can draw on here, change colors, and just do custom colors if I want to. And then the shapes, exactly like it sounds. I can do shapes within this. So if I need to just insert a line, and I can do that. Now I notice on here you can't change the thickness of your line, but it's still helpful if you're doing graphing on a typical graph. Actually, here is how you change the thickness, sorry. It's incorrect. So you can go through and change the thickness of your line, and that's how that would be done. Now, I don't know that you'll need anything else because this allows you to quickly erase any of the annotations, but hopefully you'll be able to go through here and complete this without having to erase too much. Now, when you're ready to submit, there's a submit button up here. So it looks like a save button, but all I have to do to submit this assignment once I'm done is hit submit, and then it's going to make sure I'm going to hit submit, and that's it. My annotations with this document have been submitted to the teacher and they can view it. If I need to go in there and change anything, I do need to unsubmit. Otherwise, they will not see the changes that I make. So keep that in mind. But I mean, it's that simple. I mean, all I have to do is hit that submit button and I'm done. And as always, if you have questions about any of these assignments, reach out to your teacher. You know, they're always willing to help if there's some confusion on this. But this is a pretty awesome tool to complete work in this way, and hopefully you'll find it helpful.